What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a monthly update for what I sold on eBay in the month of February of 2022. This was a pretty good month. I did not sell too many items, but I did sell a couple for some good profits. So the average of the month is definitely up there. I'm happy to see that. I'm trying to get some more items up on eBay. So hopefully this summer I can sell a lot more and make a lot more money. So I'm going to get into listing out the items for you guys right now. Chevy Silverado mirror, $200 plus $25 shipping. BMW 5 Series headlight, $650 plus $30 shipping. Mazda 3 headlight, $85 plus $25 shipping. Toyota Tacoma grill, $400 plus $50 shipping. Jeep Grand Cherokee taillight, $100 plus $10 shipping. And a Ford Escape headlight, $200 plus $25 shipping. So those were the 6 items and they added up to $1,635. $165 was paid by the buyers to ship those items out. I had to pay $181 to ship all the items. And then minus $210 for the eBay fees, I ended up with $1,409 of profit. As you can see, that's pretty good for what I do. I'm usually right around $1,000. So I did sell more than that, even though it was only 6 items. For those 6 items, it was $234 in average price, which is very good for me. I did lose $20 in the shipping, but that's not that big of a deal. I almost broke even. So if I can stick around breaking even on shipping, then I'm not really too worried about it. The 2 big items I sold was that BMW 5 Series headlight. That was $650. I did make a video about that headlight. It was one of the fastest things that I've sold on eBay in a matter of a couple hours. I will leave that link for that video in the description. And the other big thing was the Tacoma grill that I sold for $400. Those 2 items right there added up to over $1,000 in profit. So as you can see, the other stuff just added on to that. Like I said, I only sold 6 items, but with those 2 big profits, my monthly income was very high, so I won't complain about that. That wraps it up for this video. I'm going to be listing a lot more stuff on eBay in the future, so hopefully I can get these monthly updates even more than what I sold this month. So stay tuned for that. Any other questions or comments, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.